Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is Spiral tool. In this video, we will learn that how we can use Spiral tool in CorelDraw. So we use Spiral tool for making spirals and spring types shapes. So let's see how it's work. First go over here and select the Spiral tool from here. And now just drag it like that. So let's see in the property bar. From here we can change the spiral revolutions, like how much we want. Like I want just 20. Click enter and then drag it like that. So you can see the difference in both. And if you want to decrease from 20, so you can also do this 10, enter and then drag it like that. So here we have two types of spirals, like symmetrical spiral and logarithmic spiral. This one is symmetrical spiral. Now select the logarithmic spiral and just drag it like that. So the difference between in symmetrical spiral and logarithmic spiral is that symmetrical spiral round distance is same, like from the center to the end the distance are same, but in the logarithmic spiral you can see from the center the distance is increased. You can see from the center to the end the spiral distance is not same. From the center the distance is increased. And we can't fill the color in it, but we can change the outline color of the spiral just like that. That what you want, you can do you can change the spiral outline color. So in that way we can use spiral tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.